The beauty box is like a tiny box of joy, excitement, and little treasures that is specially curated for you by a beauty team. Each month we launch a new theme so that the beauty box is full of new surprises.
Before the beauty box reaches your hands, we sample each and every product to guarantee you the best possible quality, and it's available at an extremely special price of Rs 799. And they are actually worth Rs 1576. Isn't this a great way to try out new products before you actually buy them at regular prices?
The beauty box is also a great gifting option for your girlfriends. And what's better than 5 new brands for them to experiment and fall in love with? Are you ready to unbox beauty?